Wondering how to make money online? Try these ideas today. Have you been looking for a way to increase your income? If so, then working online could be the solution you have been seeking. Here are some great ideas to help you figure out your next step. Read through them and decide for yourself how you want to make money online. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. This video was filled with some great suggestions. It is up to you to decide which ones will work best for you. So, bookmark this page. That way, you can keep coming back to it as you choose. You could end up with several profitable online ventures that will keep you busy. Student loan.